PadBot C2s-Cleaning Robot Operation Instruction Video. Robot Installation. When you disassemble the express delivery, you can see the robot, charging pile base, scrubbing module chamber, remote controller, and power adapter. Parts installation. SIM card can be installed here. Open the flip cover of the robot head and open the sewage tank cover. Here you can change the filter bed and remove the wastewater tank. Clean water tank installation. Press the lock button on the base of the clean water tank and press the handles on both sides of the tank upwards with both hands to take out the tank. Water can be filled here. When installing the clean water tank, install the right side of the tank first, and then install left side. Battery replacement. After making sure the power is off, unplug the power plug, press the button and remove the battery. Then put a new battery back into a battery compartment in the correct direction. Plug in the power plug. Roller brush replacement. Open the right compartment door at the bottom of the robot and take out the scrubbing module chamber. Loosen the screw. Open the limit bar of the roller brush and take out the roller brush. Align one end of a new roller brush and insert it into a bearing position of a scrubbing module chamber. Gently tap the scrubbing module chamber and the roller brush can be installed in place. Close the limit bar and turn the screw to fix it. Then load the scrubbing module chamber into the robot. Close the door after installation is in place. Dust mopping pad replacement. Open the right compartment door at the bottom of the robot and take out the scrubbing module chamber. Insert the limit post on one side of the mopping pad into the dust push plate. Then bind the mopping pad to the dust push plate. Load the scrubbing module chamber into the robot. Close the door after installation is in place. Charging pile installation. Align the charging pile with the groove of the base and tighten the fixing screws at the bottom. Connect the adapter to the charging pile and place the charging pile against the wall. After plugging in the power supply, the indicator light of the charging pile will turn green. Robot start. The power button of the robot is located in the battery compartment on the side of the robot. Press the button. The robot will turn on, and the light strip will light up white. This is a screen after the robot is turned on. Robot shutdown. When the robot is not in contact with the charging pile, press the power button in the battery compartment to shut down. When the robot is on, the white light flashes to indicate that the robot is in a normal state. The blue light flashes to indicate that the robot is in a remote control state. If a light strip flashes red, it means that the robot is in an abnormal alarm state. The green light flashes to indicate that the robot is charging. App interface function introduction. Open the app. Click here to view all robots under the project. Here you can view the current status of a robot. Here you can see the device data of a robot. Click here to open the map tool. Click here to turn on app controller. Click here to start remote cleaning. Click here to open the menu bar. Notice a can be viewed here. Build a map. Click Maps. Click the plus sign at the bottom right, and click New Map. Select the map type, and then set the corresponding map name and floor. There are two ways to control the robot remotely. Choose to turn on app controller and scan the map by controlling the movement of a robot through the app controller. Select to turn on the remote controller and press the power switch of a remote control. Double-click the 5 button on the remote control. The blue light indicates that the robot is in a remote control state. You can operate the joystick to control a robot to move forward, backward, left, and right. After the map scan is complete, remember to save it. Open the map you just set up. Click here to set this map as a use map. Click here to set this map as the returning map. Click here to set up a charging point. Click here for advanced mapping. Here you can set a passable area. Remember to save. Here you can set forbidden areas. Here you can set a slope area. Task management. Click here for task management. Click the plus sign in the upper right corner. Fill in the cleaning area name and select the planning type. First, select the area group. Click area, and the area box will appear on the page. Click the dot. After the dot changes color, you can drag the dot to edit the range of the area. Click here to add a virtual wall. After planning, remember to save. Click the three dots on the right to edit a plan. Click Start. Select the corresponding cleaning mode, and the robot will start the cleaning task. Second, select Path Through. Click Waypoint. Click Add Point, and plan a route. After drawing, remember to save. Third, select the area record. Click the area, enter the minimum point spacing and start recording. Choose to turn on app controller, and use the app controller to control the movement of a robot to record the area. Fourth, select the path record. Click the waypoint. Enter the minimum point spacing, and start recording. Choose to turn on app controller, and use the app controller to control the movement of a robot to record the area. Click here to add a virtual wall. After recording, remember to save. Select incremental mapping and switch a robot to remote control state, then click to start recording. The robot shows the incremental drawing margin. Control the robot to complete incremental mapping. After the drawing is completed, remember to save. Click Tasks. Click New Task, then fill in the task name, executing time, execution times, schedule and cleaning mode. Click a plus sign to add a plan to a queue of scheduled cleaning tasks. Drag here to adjust the task queue order. Click here to view cleaning records. Here you can view and export data for each cleaning task. 7 days of cleaning data can be viewed and exported here. Click More Functions. Click here to view consumable and maintenance. Device information can be viewed here. Click here to reposition the robot. Here you can view and modify the basic settings of a robot. Notification can be viewed here. Click here to view account information. Robot Interface Function Introduction. After the robot is turned on, enter the password. Here you can check the battery power of the robot. Here you can view the current status of the robot. Click here to view the error alarm and operation load of the robot. You can see the water level in the clean water tank and the sewage tank here. Click here for robots to perform cleaning tasks. Turn on the remote controller. Double-click the 5 button to switch to the manual remote control state of the robot. Then tap Remote Cleaning. Click the round floating button to enable a remote obstacle avoidance function. Here you can choose the cleaning mode. Select the cleaning intensity, and the robot starts the remote cleaning mode. Click One-Click Return. The robot will automatically set a route and automatically return to the charging pile or starting point. Open more features. Click Maps. Click a plus sign at the bottom right. Select the map type, and then set the corresponding map name and floor. Click on the recording icon. Control the robot to scan the map. Here you can choose the map as the use map. Here you can view the robot's basic information, software information, hardware information and total data. Here you can restore the factory settings of a robot. The robot cleaning report can be viewed here. Here you can view the consumables of a robot, including roller brush, filter bag, HEPA, and mopping pad. Click here to set voice volume, lock screen, language, temperature and time zone. System settings and network settings can be made here. Click here to start the device self-check and enter the security password. Automatic detection can be performed here, and manual detection can be performed here. Web page interface function introduction. First, connect the robot Wi-Fi. Open a browser and enter the following IP address. Enter the account and password provided, and click Login. Here you can view the current status of a robot. Here you can view the equipment status of a robot. Notices can be viewed here. You can view account information here. The cleaning task data can be viewed here. Click here and the robot will automatically return to the charging point. Click here to terminate the cleaning task. Build a map. Click Maps. Click Create a Map. Set a mapping mode, map name and 4. Click on the recording icon. Turn on the robot remote control mode, and manual detection can be performed here. Operate a joystick to control the movement of the robot. After the map scan is complete, remember to save it. Click Maps. Click Edit. You can set a charging point, passable area, forbidden area and slope area. Click More. Click here to use the map. Click here to set this map as a return map. Click the map revision to modify the map area. Select incremental mapping and switch your robot to remote control state. Then click to start recording. The robot shows the incremental drawing merging. Control the robot to complete incremental mapping. Here you can export the map. Planning Management. Click Planning Management and select Create a Plan. Fill in the plan name and select the plan type. First, select the map areas. Click the area. Click Add Area. Mouse click on Map to Area. Click here to add a virtual wall. After setting, click Complete. Click Start Now. Select the corresponding cleaning mode, and the robot will start the cleaning task. Second, select the recording area. Set a tracking point distance, and click to start recording. Turn on the remote controller. Control robot motion to record the area. Third, select the record routes and click to start recording. Turn on the remote controller. Control robot motion to record the area. Can select map routes as a fourth plan. Draw the same way. Click Tasks, and click the plus sign to create a new task. Fill in the task name, execution time, task cycle. Select the map. Add the plan to a queue of scheduled cleaning tasks, and remember to save it. Click More Functions. Click Cleaning Mode to enable remote cleaning. Click here to view the cleaning recording. Click here to view consumables. Click here to view the device information of the robot. Here the robot can be repositioned. Advanced settings can be made here. Thanks for watching.